Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going over how to convert your PowerPoint presentation to SCORM using ScormHero. Trust me, this is the easiest method. Once you will only need a web browser and internet connection to do that. No software is required to perform this conversion. And most important, it is free to use. The first step is to open your favorite browser and go to ScormHero.com. Then you can click on the highlighted area to select your file, or you can drag a file, just as I will do right now. Please wait a few seconds or minutes, it will depend on how large your file is. When the conversion process completes, click Download to start to download your SCORM package. And it's done. Once the download is complete, you can use this file to upload in your favorite LMS. For this tutorial, I will use a free LMS called SCORM Cloud to test my package. Go to cloud.scorm.com. You will have to create an account if you don't have one. I already have one, so I will fill in my email and password to sign in. On this screen, go to Add Content and then click Import a SCORM package. Choose the file previously downloaded from ScormHero by clicking on the Browse button. Then, click on Import Course to start the upload. Once the upload is complete, you can click on the Launch button to see your course working on a SCORM-compliant LMS. And that's it. Course if successfully working on a SCORM-compliant LMS. If you have any questions on SCORM or anything shown in this tutorial, please leave your comments below. For more tutorials about SCORM and advanced tips for creating amazing online courses with ScormHero, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.